Operational Security, OpSec, the unsung hero of cybersecurity. In today's hyper-connected world, cybercriminals are always looking for the weakest link, and often it's not your firewall or antivirus software, but your operational habits. This is where Operational Security, OpSec, comes in. Originally developed for military use, OpSec is now a cornerstone of business and personal security. What is operational security? OpSec is the practice of protecting critical information from falling into the wrong hands. It's about identifying what data could harm your organization or personal life if exposed, and taking proactive steps to secure it. The main goal is simple: prevent adversaries from collecting small pieces of information and using them to launch attacks. The 5 steps of OpSec. 1. Identify critical information. What data do you need to protect? Examples include customer records, project details, financial statements, login credentials, or network diagrams. 2. Analyze threats. Who might target you? Threats can include hackers, corporate spies, insiders, or even competitors looking for an advantage. 3. Analyze vulnerabilities. How could they get this information? This could be through unsecured emails, social media posts, weak passwords, or poorly configured systems. 4. Assess risks. What happens if the information is compromised? Understanding the impact helps prioritize which vulnerabilities to address first. 5. Apply countermeasures. This includes implementing encryption, access controls, security awareness training, multi-factor authentication, MFA, and continuous monitoring. Real-life examples of poor OpSec oversharing on social media. Employees posting photos with sensitive documents in the background, unsecured devices, using personal laptops for work without proper security controls, weak passwords, simple or reused passwords that hackers can easily guess. OpSec in daily life. OpSec isn't just for corporations, it applies to individuals too. Don't share travel plans publicly. It signals when your home or office is empty. Avoid posting confidential work details online. Use strong, unique passwords and enable MFA on all accounts. Why does OpSec matter? A single slip in operational security can lead to data breaches, espionage, financial losses, or even reputation damage. Organizations spend millions on cybersecurity tools, but without strong OpSec, those investments can be rendered useless. Bottom line, good OpSec isn't a one-time effort. It's an ongoing process that requires vigilance, training, and the right tools. Whether you're a business owner, IT professional, or everyday user, practicing OpSec is essential to staying safe in today's digital world. For more cybersecurity knowledge, follow olo_Bugeni on TikTok and the Learning Hub channel.